if people would know what we know about property, everyone would actually be obsessed about property investing. So I invite you personally to our next event.
Nong Wealth presents the 2024 Property Investment Workshops. Get ready as we come to a city close to you. At Nong Wealth, we are passionate about property investing and believe in creating powerful networks, sharing meaningful content, and growing as a community. Johannesburg, Cape Town, Vaal, Pretoria, Durban, and Rustenburg, we are coming to you.
I'm happy about what we're doing right now. I'm quite excited about it. We asked ourselves, how can we get into this market? How can we cause a disruption within this market, whereby we're putting value at the front end?
At Nong Wealth, we believe that property investing is not only a long-term game, but a numbers game. We have realized and emphasized the importance of affordability, cash flow, and equity. You don't want to miss out. Buy your tickets now or contact info@nongwealth.co.za for any inquiries.
So next time you're thinking about property investing, think Nong Wealth.